Want to easily blur faces on your iPhone photos? Here's how. Open the App Store on your phone. Tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, search for Blur Photo Effect Background. Choose your preferred app from the results. Install it. Once downloaded, click Open. Look at the Editing Tools section and select Face Blur. Select the photo you want to blur. Tap on the recognized face on the bottom. Swipe and choose the size. Adjust the blur intensity and brightness. Tap on the arrows to discard changes. Once you're happy with the blur effect, tap Save in the top right. Now go back to the home screen and open the Photos app. Scroll down to see your blurred photo. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more quick tips.